Hello, my crafty friends. I sure hope you're having a fabulous day. My name is Robyn Pitts with Sir Chauncey Rocco Creative Designs. If you're new to my channel or you're a returning subscriber, welcome. Thank you so much for taking time out of your busy schedule to watch my videos. If you haven't already, please take a moment now to hit that red subscribe button under your screen and also that little bell icon so that you'll always be notified when I upload a new video. Today, I'm going to review a beautiful happy mail that I received from Christine from ShabbyPinkHouse. It's been a while since I've posted new projects, and for those of you who don't know, I injured my right hand. In January, I slipped and I fell on a patch of ice. I sprained my hand and my wrist, and it has been a very long and painful healing process. So that has made it very difficult to not only create videos, but to edit videos. So I decided to take some time off, allow my hand to heal, and I am getting back into the saddle slowly but surely. So let's take a look at this beautiful happy mail that Christine sent. To save time, I've already taken it out of the box. These are the beautiful crinkled pieces that Christine included. This is the first package. Oh, this is so beautiful. This is a gorgeous card. As you know, Christine is the Shabby Chic queen. I love all of her beautiful details. Look at how gorgeous this is. She has cheesecloth in the back. She's got this beautiful little rose detail. And these look like they're resin or chipboard shutters. And she's created a little shaker card. Look at the beautiful little details in the window. And she's got this exquisite floral detail on the side. Her little rhinestone heart charm, this beautiful lace. This is beautiful. Christine has written a lovely letter. I'm going to keep that to myself. And this is the back, created just for you by Christine. And she's got her cute little signature here, which is a metal heart, and it says made with love. Thank you so much, Christine. This is so beautiful. Let's take a look inside the box. Oh my goodness, she's got this packed with fun goodies. I'm going to take all of this out and then I'll open each package one by one. I've taken everything out of the package and these are the items that she's included. Christine did send this to me a while ago, so Christine, I apologize for not doing this reveal earlier. However, it was a bit difficult to record and edit anything with my hand, and I wanted to save this to open it online so that all of my subscribers could see the wonderful gifts that she sent. So let's take a look at this card first. This is beautiful. This is a Valentine's Day card. This is so beautiful. I love the shabbiness of everything that she does. She's got this beautiful lace, this pearl heart here in the corner. To my Valentine, this cute little cherub. That is so pretty. Thank you so much, Christine. This is so beautiful. Inside, we have this cute little bear. Oh, oh my goodness. It looks like there's some sweet goodies in here. There's Lindor, oh my goodness, there's Lindor chocolates in here. These are my favorite. Thank you so much, Christine. A girl after my own heart. I love chocolate. Okay, let's take a look at this. Oh, this is so pretty. Look at this. I love this paper, Christine. Thank you so much. Let's see what's inside. Ah, more chocolates, yay! Hershey Kisses. And we also have Hershey chocolate bars. Thank you so much. And we have this package here. Oh my goodness, this is so lovely. Look at this. She's got the cheesecloth. She's got a beautiful lace doily in the back. Look at the feathers and these beautiful roses and the heart. This is just beautiful. She's got the little rhinestone heart here. And all of these lovely layers with the seam binding and the lace. Okay, so this is a matchbox, and she's got a little bead dangle here. She's got crystal and pearl in this little tiny heart. We have more candy. Thank you so much. And look at the way she's decorated the inside of the box. We've got this beautiful paper, and she's got a beautiful piece of trim lining the inside of the box. Christine, thank you so much for this beautiful Happy Mail. I love these gorgeous cards and the gift boxes, and I will definitely be reusing these boxes. They are so pretty. This box, I think, is a beautiful presentation for a Mother's Day gift. Everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. Hopefully you were inspired by some of these lovely projects that Christine has created. Please be sure to join me on my channel to see some of the fun new projects that I have in store. Thanks again, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now, and happy crafting.